Hi everyone. Hi everyone. In this video, we will going to learn about how to change the time zone on the Linux machine. For example, we open a terminal, your left hand side on the screen you can see, right? So first of all, how to check the time zone, current time zone. Okay, so you can see that current time zone is UTC 5:30. So it is like IST, UTC. Okay, IST, right? So I will show you that how to export and change. So for changing the time zone, we can use TZ as an variable, right? So you can search, check any of that, right? So for example, we will change the time zone to the IST, right? So for that, we can see this. And if you check again using the date command, you can see that time zone has been changed with this, right? You can see 12:08, right? Let me show you. Asia, Kolkata time now, right? So you can see it is currently 12:08 p.m. right, and it is IST. So this is how we can change. So for example, we can again we will export for the Dubai, right? TZ is equal to Asia, then Dubai, right? And if you see this, you can see the change has been done. So again we will go here, and instead of Kolkata we will say Dubai, and you can see this is what the time is currently. It is so it is around 10:39 a.m. and here also it is 10:39 a.m. right. So this is how the time zone can be shown to you. Eco TZ, and you can see Asia Dubai, right? Again, again, if you want to change to the Australia, right? Sydney, hmm, and then again date. So you can see Australia Sydney. It is the time, and now here, hmm, I can see the time is currently this one, right? 4:39 p.m. Here also 4:39 p.m. EST. So this is how we can change. This is how we can change the time zone. Okay, we can also check for the Africa. Okay, this is how we can do change in the time zone on the Linux machines. Hope guys this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.